Hello everyone, it is time for math, and today it's all about addition strategies and trying to be smart with your addition. So let's check out some of those strategies. What is this? Holy cow, that is a lot of addition facts. Yeah, this is the addition chart. Every addition fact that we need to know off the top of our head so that we can get to the really interesting math stuff. Okay, so if we take a look at this chart and look at the most fun facts ever, the ones that are highlighted here are called the add zero facts. Zero is amazing because when you see zero, your face should go from this to that. Because the answer is just right in front of you. So let's take a look at like one or two of these. Let's look at this one. Oh my gosh, I see a zero. If I have zero and I'm adding 5, like my friend has no candy, I have 5 pieces of candy. How much do we have all together? Well, I'm the only one with candy. It's 5 pieces of candy, right? So let's go to this one. 4 plus 0. Now my friend has 4 pieces of candy. I have none. We put it together and we have 4 because my friend had 4 and I had none, right? So, oh my gosh, zeros are amazing. Okay, let's go to the next set of facts. These are called the count on facts. So if I have an addition fact like this one and I have 1 as one of my add-ins, I go, oh, I can just count on. Count on from where? Count on from this number here, 5. So I have 5, and then I add on 1 more. So what number comes right after 5? Well, that's 6, okay? If I go to this one, oh, I see a count on fact because I see a 1. What's 1 more than 9? What's the number that comes right after 9? 10, okay? So if I see 1 as an add-in, I know I can count on. Another number that I can count on would be 2. If I see 2 as an add-in, let's look at this one. There's a 2. And then it's being added to 6. So I'm thinking, what's 2 more than 6? So I'm going to start at 6, and I'm going to count on 2 more. So I'm going 6, 7, 8. Boom. There is my sum. Okay? All right, let's go to the next set of facts. The next set of facts are some of my faves. These are the doubles, baby. The doubles facts. And these are the ones in blue and also overlapped right here. We have 0 and 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8 and 8, right? It goes on and on. The number is doubled. We see it twice, not just once, but twice. And it's the doubles, baby. Here we go, here we go. It's the doubles, baby. Here we go, here we go. Right? There's a song for it. So you just got to know your doubles, baby. All right. And let's go to the next set of facts. We have the doubles plus or minus 1. Meaning, now these are the ones that were shaded in like kind of tannish color. Let's check out this one. Now we call it the doubles plus or minus 1 facts because it is so close to being a double. So in this one, it's 3 plus 4. But wow, that is so close to the double fact of 3 plus 3, right? If I have 3 plus 4, that's super duper close to a double because 3 and 4 are like super close to each other, right? When I'm counting, I say 3 and then I say 4. They are close. So that is close to a double. So we need to use our double to help us. All right, so let's take a look at the number rack and put a 3 and put a 4. So 3 plus 4. Well, look at this. If I just scoot this one over, I have my double going on right here, right? So it's really 3 and 3 and 1 more. So 3 plus 4, I can think in my head, well, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 3 plus 4 would be 1 more. 1 more than 6 is 7. So I can use my doubles facts to help me with these other facts. Let's check out one more. How about this one? 6 plus 5. So I can either see that it's close to 5 and 5 or it's close to 6 and 6. Let's look at it on the number rack. So if I go ahead and erase my work and I clear all, and I go 6 and bring over 5. Oh my gosh, 6 is so close to 5, right? So I could think of this one, if you want, as 5 and 5 and one more. Or I could bring over this and say, oh man, if I just had one more bead, I'd have 6 and 6. And I know 6 and 6 is 12. And if I take one away, then I'm at 11. So it's really, really good to know those doubles, because then you're going to know a lot more facts along with it. Okay? All right, let's look at another set of facts. These are the Make 10 facts. These are the ones you've been working on since kindergarten. So I'm like, okay, 5 and 5, that gives me 10, right? I have 5 and 5. If I show it on my fingers, 5 and 5, that's my whole hand. That's 10, okay? If I check out another Make 10 fact, 4 and 6. Check it out. If I have 4, let me see, 4, right? How many fingers do I have down right now? I have 6 fingers down, 5 and 1 more. If I add on 6 more to 4, I'm gonna have 10. This is a Make 10 fact, okay? So it's really good to know those off the top of your head. 3 and 7, that gives me 10. 8 and 2, that gives me 10. 1 and 9, that gives me 10. 0 and 10, that gives me 10. All right, the Make 10s, those are awesome facts. Another set to know are the Add 10 facts. These, again, are some of my faves. If I see 10 as an add-in, like this one, if I see 10, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is awesome, because 10 and 3 is 13. Oh gosh, but we don't say 13, we say 13. Okay, if I look at this one, 5 and 10 is 15. Oh, but we don't say 15, we say 15. Okay, we can even see it on the number rack. If I clear out my work and I try a 10 fact, I have 10 and let's say 7. 10 and 7. What is 10 and 7? Oh my gosh, what is it? 10 and 7 has something to do with 7. I'm going to put a 10 with it. It's 17. Let's check it out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So instead of counting on, I just know that 10 and 7 is going to give me 17. All right? All right. Let's go. I think I have one more set to show you, and that is the... Oh gosh, what are these things called? These are the Add 9s. The Add 9s. 9s. Look at these ones. There's a 9 as an addend. 9 and 3. Oh my gosh, what do you do here? Well, oh man, 9. If I show that on my fingers, 9 is so close to 10. It is like right there. So let's check it out on the number rack. If I have 9, so I'm going to bring over 9. Oh, whoops, sorry, I brought over 10. 9 is just so close to 10. 9 and 3 more. Oh man, 9 plus 3. So I'm going to write that out. 9 and 3 more. Instead of thinking, okay, I could count on, I could just say, well, what if I pull over this guy? 10 and 3 is what? 13. Oh, sorry, 13. So what would 9 and 3 be? Look what you have to do. You have to take this guy away. So instead of saying, oh yeah, that's 13. Oh, wait a second. It's 13 if this was 10. I had to take this guy away. So instead of 13, I have to go one less than that. And then instead of a 3, go down, it's going to be a 2. So it'd be 12. All right? So when I have 9s, I can think 10s. That's why it's really important to know your Add 10 facts. Okay? Now I said that was the last one, but there's really one more, because there are, in this chart, there are what's called some leftover facts. Look at them, they're all in white. And they aren't like special ones. They don't have a name, the poor guys. And so you just have to think of your own strategy. For example, 8 and 4. 4 and 8. How are you going to solve that one? Well, let's take a look at the number rack and see. I'm going to pull over 8 and then 4 more. Well, for me, 8 and 4, I could count on. Or I would know that if I just like had 2 more up here, that'd be 10. So what if I took these 2 and put these up here? So now these are gone and I put them up here, right? Well, now it's going to change into 10 and 2. Isn't that nice? And 10 and 2, I know that's 12. All right? So I can take the 8 and morph it into a 10 because I love 10s. But it's up to you. On those leftover facts, you decide what works best for you. Maybe you want to use a double. Maybe you want to go to 10s, okay? So go for it and go solve those addition problems. You got this.